We'll be doing spelling this period. Make sure you have your language art notebook, eraser, ruler, pencil, red pen, and also make sure you have glue because we'll be gluing something later on. First thing we're going to do is the spelling test. So go to the back of the book. I saw some people starting from the front of the book, but spelling test is in the back of the book. Go to the back of the book and then to the newest page. And let's write the title. Spelling test number 10. The date is July 22nd, 2020, and underline the title. Number from 1 to 10. And 2 dictations. 1 and 2. Ready with that? We'll start with a test. I'll say the word twice. Make sure you write very neatly and on the line. Number 1. Please. Please. You should always say please and thank you. Number 2. Bleed. Bleed. I cut my finger and my finger is bleeding. Bleed. Number 3. Green. Green. We sang the song Green in music class. Green is my favorite color. Number 4. Mistake. Mistake. I put the wrong answer down. I made a mistake. Number 5. Raisins. Raisins. I like raisins in my pancake. Number 6. Rainbow. Rainbow. I saw a rainbow in the sky after the rain. Number 7. Cake. Cake. We will eat cake for my birthday. Number 8. Tray. Tray. Make sure you put your notebook in your tray. Number 9. Feet. Feet. I have very big feet and very long legs. Number 10. Sea. Sea. We will collect seashell by the sea. Dictation number 1. I put raisins on cake. I put raisins on cake. I put raisins on cake. Dictation number 2. Please get that green frog. Please get that green frog. Please get that green frog. Get a red pen and let's go over the answers. Number 1 was please. P-L-E-A-S-E. Number 2 was bleed. I'm pretty sure you haven't forgotten, but if you made a mistake, for example, number 3 was green, you spelled it wrong, it's okay. Just fix it with red pen. Okay. We'll go on. Number 4 is mistake. M-I-S-T-A-K-E. Number 5 was raisins. Number 6, rainbow. Number 7, cake. 8, tray. 9, feet. 10, C. If you got all that correct, good job. Dictation number 1. I put raisins on cake. If you made a mistake, make sure you fix it with red pen. Number 2 was please get that green frog. Please get that green frog. Sorry. Very good. After the spelling test, we're going to go to the front of the book and glue in your new words. Go to the next new page and make sure you have your glue and spelling list number 11, and you will glue on the list. If you don't have the list, you can go to my webpage and print it out, or you can just write the words down. Okay. Let's read through the words first. Wife, 5, knife, skydive, explode, telescope, whole, use, rules. Whole, they're both same sound but different spelling. We'll go over the words on the next video so you can see some pictures. Click on the next video.